Be ready. Start. The skeptics have plenty of fodder. The earliest adopters of Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, used it to buy drugs, while cyber hackers now demand their ransom in it. Hundreds of millions of dollars of another digital money were stolen this year after hackers found a bug in some code. Many believers are in reality trying to get rich quick from the global mania that has seen the value of crypto assets reach 2.2 trillion. Others are freakishly devoted. The entrepreneur who announced in June that Salvador was adopting Bitcoin as an official currency sobbed on stage, claiming it would save the nation. The crooks, fools, and proselytizers are off putting. Nevertheless, the rise of an ecosystem of financial services known as decentralized finance or DeFi deserves sober consideration. It has the potential to rewire how the financial system works with all the promise and perils that entails. The proliferation of innovation in DeFi is akin to the frenzy of invention in the early phase of web. At a time when people live ever more of their lives online, the crypto revolution could even remake the architecture of the digital economy. DeFi is one of the three tech trends disrupting finance. Tech firms are muscling in on payments and banks. Para. Governments are launching digital currencies or government coins. DeFi offers an alternative path which aims to spread power, not concentrate it. To understand how stat with blockchains, vast networks of computers that keep an open, incorruptible common record and update it without the need for a central authority. Bitcoin, the first big blockchain created in 2009, is now a distraction. Instead, a blockchain network created in 2015, upon which most DeFi applications are built, is reaching critical mass. Its developers view finance as a juicy target. Conventional banking requires a huge infrastructures to maintain trust between strangers from clearing houses and compliance to capital rules and codes. It expensive. It is expensive and often captured by insiders. Think of credit card fees and bankers' yachts. By contrast, transactions on a blockchain are trustworthy, cheap, transparent, and quick, at least in theory. Although the terminology is intimidating, fees are gas, the main currency is either and title deeds over the digital assets are known as NFTs. The basic activities taking place on DeFi are familiar. These include trading on exchanges and issuing loans and taking deposits through self executing agreements called smart contracts. One yardstick of activity is the value of digital instruments being used as collateral from almost nothing in early 2018. It has reached 19 billion. Another is the value of transaction that is verifying. In the second quarter, this reached 2.5 trillion, around the same sum as Visa processes and equivalent to a sixth of the activity on a stock exchange. The dream of a low friction financial system is just the beginning. DeFi is spreading to more ambitious terrain. MetaMask, a DeFi wallet with more than 10 million users, acts as a digital identity. To enter a decentralized metaverse, a looking glass world with shop run by its users, you link your wallet to a cartoonish avatar who roams around. Stop.